The shutter curtain on this Canon L1 is so worn out that the light is passing through. This is our tools for covering the shutter curtain on the camera with carbon black paint. And then we have to apply the carbon black onto the curtain. And then we put on the second layer from the other side and try to get it as even as possible. And now it has to dry for 24 hours. Now we apply a second layer onto the curtain. With the help of this dentist spatula, can we now cover close to the edges. After a second coverage of the curtain with a rubber carbon suspension, it is now completely light tight. The shutter curtain on the Canon L1 is now working properly.